Buy all your Willys and Jeep restoration parts at thejeepsterman.com, because we're not just Jeepsters anymore.
Hey guys, this is John at Jeepsterman. Today we're going to talk about rebuilt water pumps, which is a service we offer here at the Jeepsterman. Sometimes on certain vehicles you have no other option but to rebuild water pump. Then we get people that are doing restorations that want all original parts. So they want to rebuild stuff even if new is available. Like the Jeepster Commando here, obviously, you know, we do have new water pumps for those if you need them on the site, but we can rebuild them. This one I'm holding in my hand here is a 161, which is a pretty rare water pump. So again, you'll see all these water pumps for the 134, the 161, the 226, the 225, and even the rare short nose water pump on the 304. We have all these on our site. We can rebuild them. You send in your core, it has to be a good core. And we can rebuild them. Again, the website's thejeepsterman.com. You can email us sales@thejeepsterman.com if you've got questions. Thanks.
To get a free copy of the Willys and Jeep Restoration Parts catalog from the Jeepsterman, go to www.thejeepsterman.com and order your free copy today.
Awesome. Actually, you know what?
No high tech at all.